Dear friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will show you, also tell you how to disable voicemail on your iPhone. Friends, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Do not forget, friends, put your likes under this video and also be sure to write comments. Well, dear friends, let's get started. And first of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll to the very bottom and find the Apps section. Now in Apps, you can either through search find Phone app or you can swipe and find Phone app. Open it. Scroll down a little bit and find Call Forwarding. If you have it active, then please turn it off. Next, please open the Phone app. Go to the keypad section and try the following number combination. Lattice, lattice 002, lattice, and again lattice. In this way, you can get to the menu of your operator where you can disable exactly the voicemail as well. Another method how you can do this is to contact your operator. To do this, you can find perhaps their phone number, email, or customer support via Google, and just write to them and see how they can help you to disable voicemail. Dear friends, with these methods you can disable voicemail on iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us likes. Bye.